Today, I just want to talk about our large lawn renovation services. As you probably already know, Lawntech cares for thousands of small and regular sized lawns. But when it comes to those large lawns in big gardens, we really need to use different type of equipment that can easily cope with the demands and the speed that we need to really renovate those lawns and bring them back to good condition. So, why do we even renovate lawns in the first place? Well, lawns get very tired, thatchy, maybe they have weed grasses, and over time they sort of deteriorate and end up being in quite poor condition. So what we try to do when we renovate is to really clean up the lawn, revitalise the sward so that we can then provide a much better lawn for our customers. So when we renovate large lawns, it's really no different to how we renovate small lawns. The only difference is we need bigger equipment which can come in and do the job efficiently. So the renovation that we do includes scarification, aeration, top dressing and overseeding to bring life back into the lawn, regenerate it so it looks really good for our customers moving forward. So one of the hardest things for a lawn care company when carrying out maintenance for large lawns is to get the equipment from A to B and all the other materials that we need. Lawntech is unique in this and that we have our own 26-ton heavy goods vehicle which we've had specially made just for that task, so that when we need to get all that equipment to the job nice and efficiently at the right time of the year, we can jump into action and get the job done very efficiently for our customers. So that's how we do it here at Lawntech. We'll look forward to renovating your lawn in the future.